Hi, I'm Sam.
And I'm Liz.
And we are the Pretty Life Girls.
And we're so excited to be at Silhouette today making a heat transfer project.
We are using the Silhouette CAMEO4 Plus.
Ooh.
Liz, show us how you make this.
Okay. We are going to make a table runner today using heat transfer vinyl in a 15-inch roll, which is what you can use now with the CAMEO4 Plus.
Awesome.
So here's the supplies you'll need. You want a solid table runner, and then if you want to do beads, we just used embroidery floss and beads. You can get them at the craft store. And then you're going to need your heat transfer vinyl. So we have a light pink, a lavender, a coral, and an orange.
These are the cutest colors.
Such fun colors, so bright, it's going to make your house so happy.
Yeah, okay, well let's get started.
Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is, of course, choose your design from the Silhouette Design Store. The great thing about this CAMEO4 Plus is there's more room on your screen to fit in the flowers. So you can scrunch them all in there, 15 inches, and you'll be able to cut so many more at once. So choose your design, send it to your machine, and let it cut. And then you're going to weed your vinyl. So Sam, why don't you make yourself useful?
Okay.
Once you finish weeding, it's time to piece together your design. There's two different ways that you can do this with this project. If you want to conserve some vinyl, you can cut out each piece of your petal and your flowers with scissors and then reassemble them together using transfer tape. You'll remove the transfer tape before you iron, but this just helps hold everything together before you iron it. If you're not as worried about conserving your vinyl and you want just ease of application, something you can do is cut by color.
Oh, I love using that. So in Silhouette Studio, for cutting by color, you will fill in, you'd essentially color the pattern in the colors that you want each piece to be. It's like a coloring book.
Yeah, exactly.
And then there's a setting that you can choose to cut it by color. And so you'll put the color in, and it will cut just the pieces that are colored in with that.
And that makes it so easy because then your pieces are ready to go. So then you just have to layer and iron. So for example, what you can do, take your runner, start with one piece of the vinyl that you want to iron, lay it down, it's stuck on its carrier sheet, put a towel or a Teflon sheet on top, iron it down, then you'll peel back your carrier sheet. Then you'll do your next one, lay it on top, and we're leaving our carrier sheets on here just as an example. Don't do that. Put your sheet on, or put your Teflon sheet or your towel on, and then iron it on, peel back your carrier sheet, and do that until you've ironed on all of the different colors of your flower, removing the carrier sheet every time. Yeah. And that way is a little bit easier to put together. You'll waste a little more vinyl, but you'll save your sanity.
Yeah.
So do it either way. Both will give you a beautiful flower.
Yeah, so then how do you finish it?
Okay, so if you want to add some of these fun details that we added, these are just simple tassels. Just take a skein of embroidery floss, cut it in half, tie a little bit around the end to secure it, and then just thread them through. We added some wooden beads. You can thread through. You can put eyelets in your table runner and tie it on there, or just use a needle, run it through, and tie it off, and you're done.
How cute.
It's such a fun little detail. It looks so cute hanging over the side of your table.
Yeah, I love that. Okay, so the CAMEO4 Plus is available for purchase now at silhouetteamerica.com.
And make sure you're following Silhouette for all of the latest info.